This is free AI powered tool that helps developers, designers or anyone who is into creating UI components. So let's start the video. Firstly, you will have to come to this website ai-component.dev. Here you will have to search any kind of component you want. Even they have given tip a login form. So let me search a login form. Let's see how it works. See, in few seconds the login form is ready, guys. This is amazing. And if you want to create this kind of login form, so you can get code out of that. Click on code and see the HTML code. The whole code is ready. This AI tool will save your time. Just copy the code and paste it if you want. Even you can download the format, how it will look like. Click on that and let me open it. And see, I open this format. So this is amazing, guys. So I hope you like the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment down below and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed. Have a good day, all the best.